Hey y'all, it's Kendra Ayana. Welcome to my channel. Yo, I'm gonna do an unboxing of this new wig that I got, and this wig is from China Lace Wigs. So when I first got it, it came in this UPS package, and this wig took about 3 days to come. So this wig comes like this. It comes in this nice packaging. I like how they have it nice, because usually you just get like a plastic clear bag or something. Like this was well constructed and I like it. It's the back showing all the people who sold their wigs, I guess, all the YouTubers. Okay, so when I open it, I'm just gonna take this out. It comes in this very nice bag and I love that. And I guess this is the man, this must be the man who owns it or something. How did I get this wig? I got it straight pre-plugged 360 frontal, and the inch is 22. So let's see what it's looking like. Okay. Oh, it is in the color 1B too. Okay, so it comes with this little net over it, and some tissue paper in it to keep it formed together, I guess. But let me get a little bit closer so y'all can see. Ooh! This is so soft and pretty, like, oh my gosh. Let's see. I'm too excited. This is a 22 inch. This is my first wig too, y'all, so you know I'm like, it's my first wig. I'm excited. And it doesn't look like it comes with baby, I mean, it does come with baby hairs, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna have to pluck it too much. So inside it comes with 2 combs on the sides, and then it comes with one like on top of your head, like in the middle, and then it comes with one in the back, and then these 2 I guess these called drawstrings, I don't know, but it helps tighten the hair. Let me just show you. So I really like how this wig is constructed. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It has a bit of a smell. It has the normal, like, I don't know, like hair smell, like, you know, like, I don't know. It doesn't, the smell isn't bad, but it just has like a slight smell to it. And I'm just like really excited. You got baby hairs in the back also. So as the video goes on, I'm going to show you how I customize the wig. Then stay tuned.